Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm gonna do a walk around during the night with the new Citroen C5 X, the new flagship model from Citroen that looks gorgeous and very unique. It's got the avant-garde look, avant-garde design. Just look at those headlamps. Daytime running LEDs are here. This is the main unit and split design, connected with this chrome part that has the integrated chevrons in it. And yeah, overall very nice design. Let me show you the car from the side. 4.8 meters is the length, and it's got the elements of different models and different types of vehicles, because estate, crossover, SUV, sedan, coupe style of the roof, so really a lot of it. And this is really cool because it looks very nice and it's got a lot of room thanks to this large wheelbase, and it's got the robust look as well. Look at those wheels, 19-inch wheels, and the robust plastic wheel arches. Hybrid lettering here, as the car in our video is a plug-in hybrid, 225 horsepower. From this angle, among my favorite angles of this car, because look at this, look at the C-pillar, look at this chrome line, and then the pattern here. Two spoilers, one is here, second one also on the tailgate here. Brake light is here, and cool element are those LED lights at the back, because they have the Y shape, the signature, very similar to the shape of the daytime running LEDs on the front. Now the tailgate, we can open it by pressing this wide opening and nice square shape. You can also fold the seats by just pulling the levers that are on the sides. You can close it either by pressing this button, but I'm gonna close it like this with the key, of course. So share your thoughts with me, how do you like it? And now let's quickly go inside. I want to show you how it looks during the night. When we turn on the car, you see the nice mood lighting, and yeah, it's actually here. The interior lights also throughout the dashboard, and the handles here for the doors are also illuminated. There we go, look at this. You can adjust the brightness. This is now set to maximum, but you cannot change the color, so it's only in white. Press the home menu to go into this main section. And cool thing is that we have the all-new infotainment system, and you can adjust those widgets by yourself. So depending on what you use the most, you can also adjust the digital cockpit. Various views are available, and yeah, well, that's pretty cool. 7-inch screen in front of us and the 12-inch screen here in the middle. We also get the head-up display, and yeah, well, that's pretty much it. Panoramic sunroof on this one. How cool is that? You can also turn on those lights so that you see a bit better, and also the navigation is really nice. Look at this. Let me show you the 3D shape of the buildings. There we go. Beautiful and very responsive, as you can see. Let's turn on the indicators. Let's go out. Starting from the rear. There we go. And now on the front, very cool pattern, as you see that this daytime running LED becomes the LED indicator. So tell me in the comments, how do you like it? Do subscribe, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.